Today I'm going to show you how to use paste in place, one of the most useful commands when you need to keep an object perfectly aligned while moving it between groups, components, or even different areas of your model. If you've ever copied something and then pasted it only to find it dropped in the wrong location, this feature is going to save you a lot of time and frustration. Before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick SketchUp tips and tutorials. Let's start with the basic idea. A normal paste places an object wherever your cursor is, which is fine in some situations, but not when alignment matters. Paste in place brings the copied object back to the exact same X, Y, and Z coordinates it came from. That means your object keeps its position perfectly, even if you paste it into a different group or context. Here's how to use it. First, select the object you want to copy. Once it's highlighted, press Ctrl and C on Windows or Command and C on Mac. That copies the object to your clipboard just like normal. Now, if you want to move that object into a specific group or another part of your model, double-click into that group or enter the editing context first. This step is optional, but it's what makes paste in place so powerful. By changing the active context before pasting, you can place the copied object inside the correct group while still keeping its exact original position. Next, go to the Edit menu at the top of the screen and click Paste in Place. Instead of dropping the object near your mouse pointer, SketchUp will place it back at its original coordinates. The object now exists inside the current group or context, but it stays aligned exactly where it was copied from. This is especially helpful when you're working on detailed models where position matters. For example, imagine you're building an enclosure for a circuit board. You can copy the 555 timer board, open the enclosure group, and use Paste in Place. The board will land perfectly in the same location, which makes it much easier to design mounting holes, cutouts, or internal spacing without guessing. Another great use case is moving objects between different files. If you have two SketchUp models open and they both use the same origin point at 0, 0, 0, you can copy an object from one file and paste in place in the other. Because the coordinates match, the object will appear in the correct location without any manual repositioning. This is what makes paste in place so much better than a standard paste for precision work. It reduces alignment errors, keeps your workflow clean, and helps you transfer geometry between groups or files while preserving exact placement. Whether you're working on architecture, product design, or technical models, this command can make your editing process much faster and more accurate. If you use SketchUp regularly, this is definitely one of those features worth remembering. The key steps are simple. Copy the object, enter the destination group or file if needed, and then choose Paste in Place from the Edit menu. That's it. No dragging, no guessing, and no accidental misalignment. So now you know how to use Paste in Place the right way. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what SketchUp feature you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.